Hello and welcome dear students. We will continue problems on integration by parts rule. Let us continue. Problem number 5. Here we let I equal to given problem integration e to the power 2x cos 3x dx. Note that whenever integrand is the product of trigonometric function and exponential function, we write I equal to given problem. Then we check the order by using LIAT rule. Here e to the power 2x exponential function, cos 3x is trigonometric function. So by that rule, here trigonometric function must be first, cos 3x into second function e to the power 2x dx. And then apply integration by parts rule. First function same, cos 3x, integration of second function dx minus integration derivative of first function cos 3x, integration of second function dx outside bracket dx. Simplify this. Cos 3x as it is, integration of e to the power 2x same, we divide by coefficient of x, that is 2, minus integration derivative of cos 3x minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x, that is 3. In derivative we multiply by coefficients. So minus 3 sin 3x, and integration of e to the power 2x same, divided by 2 dx. So it is equal to 1 by 2 constant, write e to the power 2x into cos 3x minus minus plus sign, 3 by 2 constant outside, integration sin 3x into e to the power 2x dx. Here again integrand is the product of trigonometric and exponential function. So you have to apply again integration by parts rule. So it is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 2x cos 3x plus 3 by 2 in bracket first function sin 3x, integration of e to the power 2x dx minus integration derivative of first function ddx of sin 3x, integration of second function outside bracket dx and bracket close. So it is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 2x into cos 3x plus 3 by 2 in bracket sin 3x, integration of e to the power 2x same, divided by 2, minus integration derivative of sin 3x cos 3x and multiply by coefficient 3. So 3 cos 3x, integration of e to the power 2x same, divided by 2 dx bracket. So it is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 2x cos 3x plus 3 by 2 in bracket sin 3x into e to the power 2x divided by 2 minus sign, the constant 3 by 2 take outside, integration cos 3x into e to the power 2x dx. So it is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 2x into cos 3x plus multiply by 3 by 2 to this bracket. So we get a 3 divided by 2 into 2, 4 sin 3x into e to the power 2x, then minus sign and this plus, minus 3 into 3, 9, 2 into 2, 4, integration cos 3x into e to the power 2x dx. And note that this is nothing but given problem. We have taken its value as capital I. We substitute here. So it is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 2x into cos 3x plus 3 by 4 sin 3x into e to the power 2x minus 9 by 4, and this is nothing but given problem I. Note that left side is also I. We have to find the value of I. So we get it is equal to left side is I. Take this minus 9 by 4i on left side. So plus 9 by 4i equal to right side is 1 by 2 e to the power 2x into cos 3x, then the second term plus 3 by 4. We can write e to the power 2x first, then sin 3x. Simplify left side, LCM 4, 4i plus 9i, that is 13i divided by 4. It is equal to, right side same, 1 by 2 e to the power 2x into cos 3x plus 3 by 4 e to the power 2x into sin 3x. From this we can find the value of I means given problem. So it is equal to, take 13 by 4 on right side, so we get here 4 divided by 13 and in bracket at right side, or you can take common from right side. What is common? E to the power 2x we can take common, and in bracket 1 by 2 cos 3x plus 3 by 4 into sin 3x, and in this step add plus c, that is constant of integration, and this can be written e to the power 2x divided by 13. For simplification, we take this 4 inside bracket, multiply by 4 to bracket, 4 upon 2 we get here 2 into cos 3x plus, in second term this 4 and this 4 cancel, plus 3 sin 3x plus c, and hence solution completed. Next problem, number 6. Evaluate integration log of log x divided by x dx. So first let here I equal to given problem, integration log of log x divided by x dx. Clearly in problem we observe that we have to use here integration by substitution, because the rate of log x is 1 upon x there. So put here log x equal to t, so derivative 1 upon x into dx equal to dt, and therefore substitute in given problem. So I equal to integration log x means we have taken t, 1 upon x dx means dt, and note that whenever single or only logarithmic function is given, we take in such case second function as 1 when we have to apply integration by parts rule. Whenever single logarithmic function is given, we take second function as 1 and then apply integration by parts rule. The first function same, integration of second function minus integration, take derivative of first function, integration of second function, outside bracket dt. So it is equal to log t, integration of 1 dt is t, minus integration derivative of log t 1 upon t, integration of 1 dt t dt. So it is equal to t into log t minus integration, where t cancel we get 1 dt. So it is equal to t into log t minus integration of 1 dt is t plus c, and we can take t common here, in bracket log t minus 1 plus c, and finally we replace t means log x. So this solution, in bracket log t is log x minus 1 plus c, and hence solution completed. Next number, evaluate integration t into sin inverse t divided by square root of 1 minus t square dt. So let I equal to given problem integration t into sin inverse t divided by square root 1 minus t square dt. Here also clearly derivative of sin inverse t 1 divided by root 1 minus t square. So use substitution first. We put here sin inverse t equal to, take notation as x, and therefore differentiate this. So derivative 1 divided by root 1 minus t square into dt equal to dx, and also find the value of this t. So t nothing but, if we take sin on both sides, sin inverse cancel, and value of t is sin x. Then given problem becomes I equal to integration, this t means sin x, sin inverse t means x, 1 upon root dt, its value dx. So we get integrand as product of two functions. So we can apply again integration by parts rule. So it is equal to, first check order by using LIT rule. X means algebraic, sin x trigonometric. So algebraic function first, trigonometric function second. Apply formula, first function same, integration of second function minus integration derivative of first function, integration of sin x dx, outside bracket dx. So it is equal to x, integration of sin x, standard formula, minus cos x, minus integration derivative of x is 1, integration of sin x minus cos x and dx. So it is equal to minus x into cos x, this minus plus sign, integration 1 into cos x means cos x dx. So it is equal to minus x into cos x plus integration of cos x is sin x, and write plus c constant of integration. But note that given problem in terms of t, so answer must be in terms of t. So we have to replace x by sin inverse t here. So for that, minus x, cos x, we know value of sin x, that is t. So write cos x in terms of sin x. Cos x can be written root 1 minus sin square x plus sin x plus c, and now replace x. Note that here x means sin inverse t into root 1 minus sin square x, value is t. So 1 minus t square plus sin x means t plus c, and thus solution completed. Eighth, evaluate integration sin theta into log of cos theta d theta. So let I equal to integration sin theta into log of cos theta d theta. Clearly derivative of cos theta minus sin theta, or this sin theta can be expressed in terms of derivative of cos theta. So we put here cos theta equal to substitution t, derivative minus sin theta into d theta equal to dt. So we get sin theta d theta equal to minus dt. So we get I equal to integration log cos theta means t, and sin theta d theta, its value is minus dt. Take minus and outside, integration log t, whenever logarithmic term is there, take second function as 1, and then apply integration by parts rule, minus and outside, first function log t, integration of 1 dt minus integration in bracket derivative of log t derivative of log t into integration of 1 dt outside bracket dt. So it is equal to minus sign in bracket log t, integration of 1 dt is t, minus integration derivative of log t 1 upon t, integration of 1 dt t dt. So it is equal to minus sign in bracket t into log t minus integration t cancel 1 dt. So it is equal to minus in bracket t log t minus integration 1 dt means t and write plus c. Take t common and multiply by minus sign here. T is common in bracket minus minus plus, that is 1 minus log t plus c and replace finally t. T means cos theta. So cos theta in bracket 1 minus log t means cos theta plus c. Hence the solution completed. Goodbye.